Well, today I'm going to take another look at the new trading robots on the MQL5 marketplace and pick one, test it a bit, and give you my opinion on it. All right, we've got Maxius here. Please optimize before use. Okay, strategy is provided in a raw format and must be optimized. Okay, not really interested in that. The puzzle, fully automated, multi-currency, USD, let's see, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, and Euro Sheppy Artificial Intelligence. Custom made indicators. Okay. All right. And what else we got here? We have the Fury. Forex Fury. This EA snipes entries on buy-sell trades and executes trades using the moving average. It's a stochastic indicator. Uses artificial intelligence to validate lower risk entries. It will, with all the information in the base, the IA. Okay, the IA will evaluate whether it makes sense to open trades or not. The EA is not a high volume one, but it has a high assertiveness index. After identifying the trend, the position is open and a robot conducts. Okay. Interesting. Paula Bollinger Bands. Transforming your investment strategy with the Expert Advisor for Metatrader Investor Robot. Okay, created by Joe Ross and Paula by renowned Brazilian trader Rodrigo Cohen, who will have access to advanced technology that will maximize your profits and minimize your risks. Don't waste any more time with old and inefficient strategies. Okay, $30. Let's give it a whirl. Free demo. Don't worry about the complexity of operations. Our investor robot is easy to use. Let's see, let's go back to here. Investor robot is easy to use. It does not require any specialized technical knowledge. Just install the Expert Advisor and Metatrader and let it work for you 24/7. Okay. Hey. All right. Well. Fine. Okay. All right. Let's take a look. And free demo. Yes. Okay. Okay, drop it down here. Okay, so have any instructions? Let's go back to the here. All right, let's take a look at this thing here. So we have settings, we got market, Paula Bollinger Bands, inputs. Not a lot of information here. Not a lot of information. Stops and ticks, months, days. Does have some start and end times for different days. Well, that's kind of nice. Magic number. Okay, and then we have some information about the trades that are going on. Okay, that looks pretty interesting. Yeah, not a whole lot there, I guess, for doing one lots. Why don't we just go to our settings? We'll start with a $100,000 account since our default is one lot. And I've got a testing period of 2020 through 2020, early 2023. Let's try a 30-minute chart. And we have GBP, JPY. Good old GJ. And if there's anything else we want to do? No, I think that's it. So I think the first thing we'll do is we've got some visual modes. We'll take a look at that. Okay. Well, it's got a nice little display right here. Speed it up here so we can get to a trade. Okay, so we had a trade of losing $63. Okay. Well, at least it traded, and at least it had a at least it had a loss. I've seen some of these so-called expert advisors at 100% win rate, which is impossible. So let's just see where we're at. Okay, did another one. So this one we lost. So we've lost, so far we've lost $158 out of our 10th. Okay. So what do we see here? So we've got the Bollinger Bands. And then what it looks like to me is it's waiting for candles to go outside the Bollinger Band. And then it must look for some oh, that's interesting. It just stopped. At minus $220. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Well, let us just run it again and just see what happens. All right. So what do we got? We haven't done any trades yet. Okay, so we had one trade right here. Okay, what it looks like it's just waiting for candles to go outside of the Bollinger Band, then back into the Bollinger Band. And so if it went out on the low end of the Bollinger Band, it looks like it's a buy. Yeah, a buy. And then there's some sort of stop loss. And then there you go. All right, so let's keep going. Okay, we had another loss and then another loss. Let's see if it does the opposite on the other side of the Bollinger Band if we get there. Nope. And I'm guessing it's going to open a trade here as soon as these go back in. Yep. And it was another loss. And then another loss. That's interesting. Oh, here we go. Okay. So our history, trade. Huh. And then it stopped again. All right. Well, I can't say very much about this one other than it looks pretty straightforward. It is a Bollinger Band breakout strategy. So that's that. Let's just see if we can just run a back test in the, without visual mode and just see if we can just get a graph of some sort. Well, we get a graph. Doesn't look like it's a very good one. Well, there you go. That's the end. So let's see what we get. All right, so what do we got? There's a lot of trades. Okay, so what do we get? So we were, okay, short trades won 26%, long trades won 32%. So basically what we see is, without any optimization as it stands, it is certainly a losing strategy with GJ. Now, I haven't optimized it, but one of the things that I like about this particular strategy is it's actually a relatively well-known strategy. So maybe with some optimization, it would work out okay. Would I buy it? Well, for $30, yeah, sure. I might try it, or I might spend a couple of hours trying to optimize it and making it work better. See if I could make it profitable, try it on a couple of different currencies. But again, for $30, yeah, it doesn't look terrible, and I might give it a whirl. Anyway, happy trading. Have a good day.